welcome to Caroline's Saucy Kitchen again. Today I'm going to show you how to make one of our favourite little snack dishes. It's kind of like our family version, I guess, of chicken salad. Really super simple. Leftover chicken, which we grill with barbecue, some onion, celery, mayonnaise, I think there's a kosher dill, and a little bit of hot paprika. So earlier we chopped some up. So this basically is 2 chicken breasts, or over here the breasts are huge, so I normally just slice them in half, so it's 1 breast. But anywho, so if you've got small breasts, use 2. And then this is about, I would say, half a cup of onion diced, so we mix that up. And then this was 3 sticks of celery hearts, which are the smaller ones. We're going to add that. And then this is the kosher dill, which comes in a big fat half, so we add 1 of those to our lovely dish here. And then I'm going to mix, one tried to escape. I'm going to mix that around a little bit. And then mayonnaise, we just got this on sale, so any brand of mayonnaise is good. And this you're going to have to judge for yourself how mayonnaise-y you want it. So basically we'll give it a squirt. Oh, that's nowhere near enough. And then kind of eyeball it. So I guess if you want to look down into the bowl, you can see as you're moving it around how mayonnaise-y. It probably needs a bit more still, doesn't it? Let me give it another squirt, as they say. Oh, it's quite a lot. So, gosh, that's probably like half a cup of mayonnaise in there, do you think? Anyway, I don't know. You guys decide for yourselves. But we like it a little creamy. So you give that a good mix around. Again, nice and simple. And then what we like to do is add a little hot paprika, because we just like things spicy. But you can basically use any paprika you like. So I'm going to do, what's that, half a teaspoon? Again, it's all eyeballing and tasting, which always seems to be the way to go. And again, give this a lovely little mix around. And you can see it kind of gives it a nice little colour. And then, again, salt to your taste. So, I don't know, I'm just going to give it a little shake. And we'll see, when you taste it, you can always add more. Whoops, one escaped again. I'm not supposed to do that, but anyway. Yeah, I think that looks good. And then what we like to have it with, excuse me, are creamy sort of crackers, because it's nice, that buttery cracker with the chunky chicken seems to be a lovely mix. And you basically just dollop it on. I won't eat this because it's very rude to have your mouth full and talk. And we just serve it, and we'll just have this as a nice snack. So that's how I would recommend it. But obviously, put it on bread, do what you like with it. I'll top that one off. And I was going to say something else and I can't remember. Shoot. Oh, bloody hell. There was something else I was going to say, but I can't remember. So obviously it doesn't matter. And if it did, I'll put it in the notes. Anyway, enjoy. Love you. Mwah. Bye.